Dear friends, welcome to my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. This video will be very much helpful for you, so please see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography, and also click on the bell icon to get notification of each and every new videos from my channel. And of course, please join my channel if you can, and like this video, share among your friends, and comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Scholar for research paper or manuscript referencing or any referencing. So this process will be taking place using two things. First thing is Google Scholar. It is a website, Google Scholar, and another thing is Microsoft Word. So first of all, what you need to do here, think that I want to get some references or citations from the topic of river bank erosion. So I have written here river bank erosion, and then search, and after clicking on search, you can see such kind of interface, several papers and different criteria. Include citation, include patents, review articles. You can select review articles. I didn't do anything since 2026, research papers since 2025, 2022, custom range. You can set a custom range and sort by date, etc. But here you can see several articles are showing, and here the name of the article, author name, journal, year, and publishing house. Here the LCV here, and below that some content like abstract, like two line things are here, and below that save, cite, cited by, related articles, all 6 versions. Here you can see save. You can save into your my library. You can save here. You can see and different things in my library. You can save by this click. And also cited by, this article is cited by 553 related articles. You can see related articles of this article and all 6 versions. But what you need to do for this video, I'm going to show how you can cite, means how you can create reference from such Google Scholar articles. Here you can see cite. Okay, just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see several citation or referencing style: MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver. And if I want to select this APA, this is most popularly used, then copy and go to Word, then save. Okay, in this way you can save. This will be better because here the journal name is italic. So you can save in this way. In this way you can create citation, and also think that I want to create reference for this also. In this way, my internet connectivity is in the internet is disconnected, so I can't show you. In this way you can cite, and here you can paste several references, and then select all and go to the sorting here, A to Z and paragraph. Okay, then it will be sorted accordingly. If you want to give the numbering, you also give numbering. In this way you can and do the total process. And thanks for watching till the end. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thank you so much.